Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope so you guys are doing very well. My name is Anam and this is our phonics class. Today I'm going to tell you about the digraph. This digraph A. This one is A. First of all, before we learn about this sound, we will listen the song.
One more time.
Alright. So you guys are ready? Okay. What is this? This is A. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you what is the action of the A. Okay, cup your hand like this and put it around your ear and say A. 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 One more time. A. 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 So, the word is, the digraph is A. Okay, for example, if I will say, if I will hide A, so what is this? This is A. And if I will hide this A, and this is A. But when we will put them together, the sounds become A. The sounds become A. 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 Please guys, look at my hand. Cup your hand like this and put it around your ear and say A. 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 Okay. Now I'm going to show you some flashcards regarding the word A. What is this? The word is snail. The word is snail. What is the first letter? S. S. And this one is A. Okay, if I will say S, A, A, is it right? No, it isn't right. S, A, what is this? Like a little lollipop. S, A, snail. And how many sound in a snail word? 4 sound. S, A, snail. And I'm going to paste this snail word on this chart paper. Okay, next word. The next word. What is the next word? The next word. This is a rain. Rain, rain, go away. Rain. Okay. What is this? And this one is again A. A. Like an aeroplane. A. Rain. And how many sounds in a rain word? 3 sounds. 3 sounds or 4 sounds? 3 sounds. How many sounds in a rain word? 3 sounds. A. Rain. A. Rain. And the next word is waiting for us. What is this? This is tail. What is this? Again. A. A. Tail. Tail. And how many sounds in a tail word? 3 sounds. A. Tail. A. Tail. How many sounds in a tail word? 3 sounds. Tail. Tail. Okay. Next word. Pain. What is the next word? Pain. What is this? Again. A. A, t, paint. Pa, A in T, paint. And how many sounds in the paint word? 4 sounds. P, A, t, paint. And I'm gonna paint this paint word, paste it on the chart paper. Okay, next word. Made. And what is the action of the A, D, 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 D. A, D, made. A, D, made. And how many sounds in a made word? 3 sounds. Okay. If you will read with the reading will be so easy for you guys if you will read with the help of phonics. Train, 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 train. No, we have to read it with the help of phonics. T, t, her, t, her, a, train, t, a, train. Okay, let's quickly. T, a, in, train. Again. T, t, t. And what is the action of the T? T, t, t. Like a tennis ball. T, t, t. A, train. And how many sounds in a train word? 4 sounds. I think in the 4 sounds or 5 sounds in the train word. Let me see. Oops, sorry. In a train word there are 4 sounds. A, train. And again, I'm gonna paste the train on the white chart paper. Okay. The next word is plane. B, 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 b. It's a bouncing. B. A, brain. B, a, brain. How many sounds? 4 sounds. B, a, brain. Can you see this word? Brain. And the last word is waiting. And the last word is waiting for us. And the word is nail. 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 This one. Nail. Again, like in an aeroplane. A, nail. A, nail. And how many sounds in the nail word? 3 sounds. A, nail. A, nail. So, this is the first diagram A. So today we have to learn about this word diagram A and the action of the A. Again, I will show you the action of the A. Cup your hand like this and put it around your ears and say A, A, A. And there are so many letters that in which the A sounds or A diagram comes. Okay. First, read the first letter again. S, A, snail. A, rain. T, 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 t. A, tail. P, p. A, t, paint. A, D, made. A, D, made. T, t, t. A, train. B, 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 b. A, brain. What is this? A, nail. So, hope so you guys enjoyed my lesson. A, A. Okay. Inshallah, in the next week we will come with the new letter, with the new diagram. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe. Stay at home.